are you living the lifestyle of your dreams? Like, are you truly living the lifestyle of your dreams? I mean, have you found the right vehicle? Have you found the right company? Have you found the right leadership? Have you found the razor's edge of the cutting edge? See, one of the things I love about what we're doing at iMarketsLive, guys, is we are giving people literally the opportunity to make money from their phone without recruiting friends, family, and coworkers. All right? Turning people's phones into an ATM machine. You see, Robert Kiyosaki talked about the right side of the quadrant. You got to be a business owner and you've got to be an investor. If you want to hang out with the 5%, if you want to hang out with the eagles, if you want to rid yourself of the crows of life, you've got to make sure that you get in the right vehicle with the right leadership at the right timing. Guys, we have that at iMarketsLive. We are giving people literally the opportunity to tap into a $5 trillion a day industry, $5.3 trillion a day, and $180 billion a year industry with network marketing. Making it where you don't have to go and recruit anybody to make money. Think about that. You don't have to go and recruit anybody to make money. And you can make money right from your phone. Residual, true residual, passive, ongoing, secured income for life. I'm grateful to be a part of iMarketsLive. So guys, you either fly with us or you get flown over, baby. If you make the decision to live this kind of life, where you pay cash for everything, no credit cards needed, this is the kind of life that you can live. We'll see you guys absolutely all the way at the top.